We have always been here. Musqueam, Squamish, and Tsleil-Waututh people, loving these lands and waters. Everything we have, everything we are, comes from this place. It holds us and it teaches us how to care for it.
Wow. How much respect and love for the land that our ancestors had. Every time I go to our old villages that aren't here with us anymore, that's the love that I feel.
You're never alone in the forest because you have all of the ancestors that are already there who want to know who you are before you walk into that forest.
I remind myself that the river is providing for me. When you're out there, that sense of like, I'm working hard with my own hands, with my own heart, with my own teachings. I am doing my family proud.
One of our words we use quite, I know, is the spirit of the water. Every stroke you're pulling and being in the canoe, being together as a family, as a team, it's healing in itself.
Everything we do in our lifetime isn't really for us. Everything we have now, we're borrowing it to hand it down to our future generations that are coming.
For thousands of years, the way that these lands and waters have been in relationship with Indigenous communities, it offers a gift for how we can walk gently as a society.
This is a love letter to our lands and to our people. It's an opportunity for others to look at the territories around them the way that we do, and to ask themselves, where are you? And who are your hosts?